Hello beautiful friends, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to be doing one of many videos to come on garden to table meals and dishes and all of the wonderful little things that you can do with that garden bounty that you are growing in your small space garden. And today that is going to involve harvesting off our greens from our GreenStalk grow tower. So let's go on ahead and walk you through this process. Okay, beautiful friends, so now that we've gotten all of the ingredients that we need for our beautiful spring green salad, let's go on ahead and head inside and get this guy mixed up and plated so that you can see the results. Okay friends, let's go on ahead and add our beautiful greens to a bowl. To that, we're going to add our chive flour, add in some diced cabbage, a little bit of olive oil, lemon juice, salt, fresh cracked pepper. Now let's give it a good toss and start plating up. Okay friends, that is literally all there is to it. Garden to table cooking doesn't have to be hard. It's a very, very simple thing, and honestly, it means that I don't have to go to the grocery store to have these beautiful, lovely meals. So I hope this encouraged you to maybe consider starting a small space garden wherever you are and growing what you can in the space that you have, because it is totally possible for you to grow massive amounts of garden bounty, even in a small space. Even if all you have is an apartment, you'd be surprised at what you can grow. And I hope that this inspired you to do so. So as always, keep it simple, natural, and essential, and don't forget to watch this video at the end that I'm going to include on some other garden to table recipes and ideas, just to get your juices flowing and to give you an idea of what is possible in a small space. And don't forget to grab my free small gardening guide. That's right, it is free. So I will drop a link to that in the description box below, so go on ahead and grab that today. Bye guys.